Good evening friends. Time for a technical update on the markets. The markets fell by 45 points today, and today's fall was led by majors like HDFC Limited, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank and Reliance Industries Limited. The advance decline ratio was in the advances were 493 and declines were 683, which indicates that the fall has been broad based. Now let us have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts we can observe that the Nifty has closed below the 20-day simple moving average, and also it has breached the support trend line which it was holding and rising higher. The daily momentum indicator has also given a negative crossover, which indicates that the selling pressure in Nifty will continue in the coming trading sessions. On the hourly charts we can observe that the support line has been breached and it has been forming lower tops and lower bottoms on the hourly chart, which indicates that the short term trend is down. It is also trading below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed at 6,201 and 6212. So even if we have a bounce in the coming trading sessions, 6,200 and 6,210 should be acting as a crucial resistance for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Overall, our view on the Nifty remains negative for a target of 5,900 on the Nifty, with a stop loss with a reversal above 6,343, which was the high it touched on the Muhurat day trading session. On the Bank Nifty we can observe that Bank Nifty has also similarly broken below the 20-day simple moving average, and it has closed below that. The momentum indicator has given a negative crossover. So we expect selling pressure in banking stocks in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 10,700 and 10,400 in Bank Nifty. The first one which we have is HDFC Limited, which sold off very sharply today. It has given a closing below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. On the charts we can observe that it was trading in an upward sloping channel which has been broken on the downside, and the daily momentum indicator also supports our bearish view. So traders can go short on HDFC Limited for a target of 807.80 with a stop loss placed at 833 rupees. The next stock which we have is from the oil and gas space, which is Bharat Petroleum. It has broken down from a wedge pattern and it has given a closing below the 20-day simple moving average. So traders can go short on BPCL with a stop loss placed at 363 for targets of 345 and 340 in the coming trading sessions. That's all for today. Thank you.